Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S53 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to find the security. And here in the device security section we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap. And here we have to choose the screen lock, which may be quite confusing because hello, we wanted to set the fingerprint. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, pin or password, whatever. It will act just like a backup screen lock method. Of course, if you've got one currently set, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you will have to do it right now. So let me pick the pattern, let me set it and confirm. Here we have to decide what we want to show on the lock screen. Basically, mark the option you'd like to use and tap on done. Here we've got also the information about the fingerprint, so you will be able to unlock your device with it or authorize the purchases. And basically, we can just tap on next. Okay, so we have to touch the sensor, which is located at the back, I believe, right here, as you can see. So let me put my finger on it. Okay. Alright, so right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner for better recognition. Basically, all you have to do is to put your finger on the sensor, release it and put it again. Of course, move your finger as it is set also here. Okay, almost there. Okay, we just added the fingerprint successfully. If you want to, you can add another, if not, just tap on done. Here we've got the fingerprint section, we can add another again. This is the fingerprint we just added, we can remove it here or rename it, so let's do it, why not? Index finger. Okay, so right now we can lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically, that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your CAT S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.